Hi guys, how to order products from Alibaba.com. I'm going to show you how to order sample before making a big purchase. This is an important step, so make sure to watch till the end.
Go to Alibaba.com, search for the product you want. In this case, I search for ice bucket. Then what you to do is to check about these boxes. Check assurance, verify supplier, and paid samples. Then click on the one of these products. You will see the supplier offer samples at $8 per piece. What you have to do is to click on buy samples. You can submit the order straight away, but don't do it. First, speak to the supplier, trying to negotiate a lower price and also lower shipping fee. Also, if you want to compare different suppliers and get your samples from a few suppliers before you make a big purchase, you can search on this page. If you enjoyed this video, follow me for more.